In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change interface language in Perplexity AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, so all the menus, buttons, and prompts appear in the language you prefer. Start by opening your Perplexity account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in so you can access your settings. Once your account is open and you're on the main screen, look toward the top corner of the interface for the account area. This is often represented by your profile picture or an icon with your initials. Click Account to open your account options. If the window is compact or you're on a smaller screen, this may sit inside a menu. Just open the menu and select Account there. Inside Account, find Preferences. Click Preferences to access all the key controls that personalize how Perplexity works for you. Preferences is where you manage things like appearance and behavior, and most importantly for this video, your language settings. Within Preferences, look for the Language section. Click Language to open the list of available interface languages. Here, you'll see the languages that Perplexity supports for the interface itself, the text you see on buttons, menus, labels, and system messages. This won't rewrite your past chats, but it will update the navigation and controls you interact with every day. Now, select the language you prefer, scroll through the list, and choose the one you're most comfortable with. In many cases, the language names appear in their own native form, which can help you recognize the right option quickly. As soon as you click your language, the interface typically updates right away. There usually isn't a separate save button for this page. Your choice applies immediately. You may notice menus, settings labels, and tooltips switch over within seconds. If something on screen doesn't update instantly, give it a moment. A quick page reload can also reflect the new language throughout the interface, but in most cases, it's automatic. And if you ever want to change languages again, just repeat these same steps and pick a different one. That's it. You opened your Perplexity account, clicked Account, went into Preferences, and chose Language to select the option you prefer. With your interface now in the language that feels most natural to you, navigating features, adjusting settings, and staying productive should be noticeably smoother. Thanks for watching and enjoy using Perplexity in your chosen language.